Subscribe to us for more updates. Here's how to do this photo collage with animation combo. Download the latest version of InShot via the link in the description. Import the first photo into the InShot app. Adjust the size and shift it to one of the corners. Tap PIP. Import the second photo, adjust the size and shift it to another corner. Import another 2 photos and put them in the other corners. Next, we'll animate the photos. Tap Animation. Select In. Select Slide R. Select another photo. Tap Animation again. Select Slide L. Choose a suitable animation for the other photos. Tap PIP. Select Materials. Choose this camcorder material. Export this clip. Next, import the animated clip into the InShot app. Tap PIP. Import another photo. Tap Autofill. Then tap Animation. Select Combo. Select Swing L. Import the next photo. Tap Animation. Select Combo and select Swing R to complete the animation combo. Do this for the rest of the photos. And here's the final results.